Hello again. I want to talk about why apple cider vinegar works for weight loss, okay? It really has nothing to do with nutrition in the apple cider vinegar. It has to do with the acetic acid, okay? Acetic acid lowers the output of insulin. It improves insulin resistance. That's amazing. And it also decreases blood sugars and improves the A1C, which is the average blood sugars for about 3 months. So since insulin is the main hormone that causes you to gain weight, anything that improves insulin will help you lose weight. I'll put some links down below to give you more information on the research behind it. But here's very simply, you take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, okay? Does it have to be Bragg's? No. It can pretty much be any vinegar. I mean, I like the organic better because it has, no pesticides. But just do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. I do a little more than 8 ounces. I'll probably do 12 ounces. 1 tablespoon of lemon, okay? Lemon also helps blood sugars, by the way. Now, some people put honey, Tupelo honey or raw honey. I wouldn't do that unless it's for your kids or you're not trying to lose weight because there is that sugar there. But some people like to offset the taste. But instead, just do stevia, liquid stevia lemon drops or just liquid stevia. And that'll sweeten it a little bit and that'll just make it a nice little lemon drink. Okay, next question is like when to take it. I like to do 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Some people do it with their meals if they have a digestive issue. It's not a bad idea. And you can even add one with a meal just to improve your digestion. Or some people even take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening on an empty stomach. It's not a problem. You can even take it before bed. All right? So go ahead and apply this and put your comments below.